Start recording. If I forget to start recording, please remind me. Now we want to start the bush. The whole assembly is here for us for the easy reference. Now we'll focus on this, the pin, easy part. Sorry, the bush. Okay, so we start drawing the length of the bush. Sorry, this one is length of the bush. It is 24 here. It is written as 24. I'll write 24 length here. Then offset by 6. The inside diameter is 12, so offset by 6 on each side. Outside diameter is 16, so offset by 8 on each side. This is your bush. You can draw sectional view or you can draw orthographic view as you like, it doesn't matter. But whatever you are drawing, you should draw it quickly and in the same, like correctly, not quickly, draw it correctly. See, this is vertical center line. These two are center lines. By layer. Fine. So center diameter 12, center diameter 16. This is the, now if you are showing like this, you must show this line as a hidden line. Okay, otherwise you can show the sectional view. It's up to you. Name of the part. This is the bush. Say Verdana. This is the bush. Front view, top view, side, front view, and the side view. Want to show the dimensions. The length of the, you should show all dimensions here in the detailed drawing. Diameter here 16, diameter for this 12. See, I don't like the diameter looking like this, so I'll go to dimension style, modify the text alignment. This is aligned with the dimension line. I make it ISO. Okay, set current close. So ISO means it becomes horizontal reference or the baseline for that number. It looks better than this. This is better. So bush is done. So like this we have to draw each part separate, not like same drawing. Okay, so only let me start another. Actually I don't want to draw all the parts, but anyway draw it. Okay, another part I will start the pin. The pin, say if I start from the length of the pin, you can see 41 is up to here. Then this is a 3, the head of the pin is 3, outer diameter outside of the head is 18, inside diameter for the pin is 12. Remember the diameter of the pin is 12. The 41 is this length. After that it has some extra length, maybe 5 milli. So if I assume 5, then total length becomes 46. This is not specified in the drawing. I can assume suitable value. If something is not specified, we can assume. So now this is 46, I am saying. Okay, 46. Offset by 6. This is the pin. Now they say this head is 18 diameter, so I will draw the line which is 18 length, then go to the center, and the thickness of that is 3, then you can draw the line here, this in the middle, no need. You can extend the center line. Actually it should always come out center line. Let me copy paste this center line for the side view. So if you are looking from the left hand side, to get the left hand side view, both circles will be visible. And there is one circle of diameter 12, another circle of diameter 18 visible, both will be visible. This is a diameter, okay, because we said we'll change the color. Let's have the uniformity in, doesn't matter, color line width is not important, but this is 12, this is 16, yeah, sorry, 18. The length from this to the end is 40, okay, end is not given to us, say up to here 46, we will see, we are assuming the extra length as, and this is 3. What is this part? Copy paste, say pin. Same, so you don't have to change the text properties. Then let me draw the crane hook itself, the difficult part, because this was just the beginning to give you the idea that we have to draw each part separate. Now let me focus on the crane hook, because in the beginning of the class you are still awake. Before you go to sleep, before you sleep or leave the class, let me finish the important part, which is a very nice geometrical construction. Actually, you can read the drawing here. Okay, let's read the drawing from here. We have here center number 1. How many centers are here? This is one center here. Okay, this is one center. I'll call it, say, center 1. Then there is another center here, you can see, which is 5 milli on the left of the center 1 and 2 milli down from the, this is 2 milli here, 2 milli down from the center. 5 milli is here on the left, 2 milli is here down from the center 1. Then we have another center, which I will say is a center 3 is here. Center 3 is here, this one. This is 30 from here. This center is 30, 30, you can see, from this line to back on the same line of the center 1. Then there is a center 4, which is here, center 4, which is 33 on the right and 11 up from the center 1. We'll specify those centers. The center 1 is radius 16, radius 16, radius 16. From the center 2 is radius 35, center 2, radius 35. From center 3 is radius 30, this one. And from center 4 is radius 3, and it's like a circle here. You can say we can trim that circle, radius 3 circle. Let's draw this view first. Okay. And the vertical center line. Center 1. With the center 1, I said we have a circle of radius 16. 16 radius circle. Offset from here for the center 2, 5 on the left, and offset 2 down from here. This is number 2 center. This center 2 has a radius of, radius not diameter, radius of 35. This is a center, radius 35. Then from this one, from this line I had to go back by 30, and this is a center 3, and I have to draw the center radius, center from here, radius 30 circle from here. So these are 2, and this small one I'll just change the color for a while, because what they say is here, down from the center line is radius 35 arc, up above this horizontal center line is radius 30 arc. Okay, so we have to trim it accordingly. Well, we have to trim it accordingly here. Then the center 4, which is offset by, let's look at the dimension again, 33 from this center. You can see here 33 from this center and 11 up from that center. So offset by 33 from the center 1. This is your center line 1, and offset by 11 up from the center 1. Center 1 is upper line, don't forget that. Here we have to draw a circle of radius 3, the small one, radius 3, like this. Now let me trim and trim this. Up here we want this yellow line, yellow circle. Okay, so this one I will delete. Down we don't want the yellow from here, so down here I can delete from here this one. Fine. So up we don't want this white one, down we don't want this yellow one. We have cut it and deleted it. Now let's, okay, this one also I can trim, but this one we don't need it in this quarter. Fine. Now let's see this one. This is radius 38 arc and this is 9 arc. This is to be drawn by using the TTR command, tan radius circle, you know, because for this arc or the part of the circle here, R19, we don't know where is the center. We don't know where is the center. Center is not located, but we know that it is a tangent to radius 35 circle or the arc here, and radius R3 arc here, this 19. This is tangent to the, so we can use tangent and radius option for the circle. Similarly, this 38 is tangent to R3 and 16, R16 here, but radius 38, we don't know the center. So I don't know if you remember that command from the draw circle command from 101, tan radius. This is a tan radius. So tangent to this, click here, tangent to this, tan and radius. Radius is 19, like this. Then we can trim it. Second one, draw circle tan radius, tangent here outside. Okay, let me try it here and let's see 38, I guess, like this. 38 and 19, like this. Then we can trim it. Trim what you don't need. Tamam. This can be also trimmed. In this outside part can be deleted. This can be deleted. This can be deleted. Fine. The lower part is done. Now this upper part is starting 38 from this center one, 38 here, and this is like a rectangle of size 20 by 3. Let's see here. This is like a rectangle, you can say 20, this is 20 size, and the total size is 3, as you can see here, and it is fillet by the new radius 1.5 fillet you can make it, and this is up by 38 from the center one to this line 38. Okay, so offset by 38 first from the center one. This is a line for the center one here, this one, and this is your center one line. Okay, this is center one. You can maybe reduce the length of this one to here. Fine. This one can be deleted also. Fine. So this is center one. They say here radius 20, and I will go 10 here, 3 down, 20 here, 3 up, C for close, like this. Then here fillet R 1.5. I hope. Repeat fillet. Fine. This is actually double line. I don't like it. I just make it a single line. Then here, look at this, or look at this here. Like here I can at least draw. This is diameter 14. The hook diameter, the rod of the hook diameter is 14 and is 7. So from this to this is 7, and this is 7. This is 7. 14 total. Okay, and this is radius 20, which is tangent to that point, which is 14 diameter. Okay, so from here I will offset by 7 from the center. The hook is starting like this, and there is an arc here, so I'll go from here back by 20. This is construction line, and I can draw center radius with this center and radius 20 arc, like this arc, and then we can draw the tangent line between, because there is a gap here. So I'll draw a line, type TAN, enter, tangent line. If you remember how to draw tangent, TAN, enter. Here we need a tangent line command today a lot of times. We'll see again the command. Okay, basically we are in this course, generally we don't study the commands. Most of the commands we already have studied in EGT 101. Let me show you the command. Suppose I have two circles here. Just revision of the tangent line command. I want to draw the line which is tangent to two circles. Line, so it is asking specify the first point. You can write the coordinate or you can click here. This will be your first point, but we want the first point to be tangent. So type TAN and enter, and by then click on the circle where you want tangent. Okay, I clicked on. Now it is asking specify the next point. That also I want tangent. So type TAN, enter, and then click on the second circle here. That's it. You get a perfect tangent between the two circles. If you click here, the tangent will be from here to here, like this. Okay. Here you can the fillet radius. It can be any fillet. Fillet R8. Let me try if I can. Okay, fillet R5, for example, between this and this. Trim. This circle should be trimmed above this horizontal line. Fine, but then it can be deleted. This is just a construction line, so you got it here. This was also construction line. You can delete it. So far okay. This one can be deleted, and you can, there is a command dimension center mark. You can just click on it and you get a center mark of that arc here, like this. Dimension center mark. Even for this arc you can get the center mark. Sometimes you don't need those big diameters center lines there. Well, now after this is M12, and how much is the length is the question. How much is the length? See, the pulley has a diameter of 60, yani up to here is 30, because the diameter is 30, and then total is 54. So 54 minus 30, 54 minus 30 is the remaining space, that is 24. But there is a gap here, some gap up to 3 millimeters. We can say 4 millimeter gap. So we can assume that length of this the threaded part for the crane hook is equal to 20. Okay, 4 milli gap. We can assume this is, if you say the gap is 2 millimeters only, then you can say take this 22. This is up to you. Okay, I will take it 20 because easy to remember the number. So I will draw the line from this one going up by 20. Then offset for 6. Why 6? Because this is a major diameter 12. You can delete these lines actually. Now they are saying it is threaded by some distance, so I'll say offset by 3 from here, and the minor diameter is only from here, so thread run out from here. Okay, this is 3. It's not specified, assume. So minor diameter is 5, for example. So offset by 5, chamfer D. Click on the major diameter, click on the minor diameter, enter, and click on these two lines. Repeat chamfer, click on these two lines. Add this extra line here. Here we have to draw the thread run out line starting from here at the rate any length 6, angle minus 60. You should understand the angle now. Trim all, enter. Trim this, delete this, make mirror of this, like this. So this is complete. Now we will work on the side view. Say this is a center for the side view. Say somewhere here. Let's see the side view. This upper part is same. Yes. And just let me get the construction line from this to here. Sorry, I didn't draw the line. Move this lower part to this line. So this is done. This is no need to do it again. Just the lower part. Lower part has a diameter of 14 and it goes here as it is, as you can see here. So first understanding is important, and the lowest part will be up here. This is the lowest part from the 5, this center line to here. The lowest part will be, let me get some construction lines here. Lowest part will be here. There is one part coming here. This is already their center line, and they are saying that this is here, say some length here, any offset by 7, because this diameter of this part is 14. The rest of the part we will see how to go ahead. You can see there is a center here, radius 3. You can see here R3 again with the same center. So I can draw center radius with this center radius 3. Similarly, the down here is radius 3, but this is the lowermost part. So I will offset this by 3 to go up to find the center. And now I can draw the circle with this center of radius 3, same. Now this big circle is tangent to this, and that has a diameter of 14. As you can see, it is a tangent to the outer one. So radius 7. So offset by 7 to find the center of that arc. And I will say draw circle center radius from this center radius of 7 like this. Now we can draw the tangent line. I will repeat the tangent line command. Line TAN, enter, from this circle to TAN, enter, to this circle, but then up between these two, line TAN, enter, to this circle, to TAN, enter, to this circle. Now mirror this. You can draw it on the other side also, and this is your mirror line. Repeat on the other side. How about to trim? Trim on, enter. This is to be trimmed now. This circle is to be trimmed. This is to be trimmed. This down is to be trimmed. Upper part will remain hidden, and this one also down here is to be trimmed. Let me see. You have to trim also here. Therefore, zoom in and see. This one should be extended up to here. It's tangent to that here. This is hidden. Come on. This part is done. So you can delete the construction line. You can delete so many center lines or keep it, doesn't matter. Show the dimension. Now I will not show all dimensions. It's any. What is this? Is hook. Show all important dimensions of here. Okay. Do you want me to show the dimension?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Say the radius. Whatever is shown here in the drawing, show those dimensions. 16 radius. Okay. Let me get it little thin so that also another color. Fine. This is 16. Whatever is shown here, show those dimensions. This is 35. This is 30 radius. This is 3 radius. Whatever is shown there, you show here. Linear dimensions, what is shown is from the 38 is from the upper point of this one, any upper point to the center one, any, let me go here, this is 38, okay, 38. Then what else? 11 dimension is from this to this. This is 11. 2 is the distance between these two centers. Okay. This is 2. 2, 16, 5. 5 is between this and this. 5. 5 to this R33, 3. Everything is done. R20. Radius 20 for this one. Fine. Then only the upper one is remaining, M12 and 14 in the side and 20. Okay. Linear. It is from this to this. They are saying it is 20, and they are saying from this to this 14. M12 you can show by leader line. Say starting from here, switch off the ortho like this, and they say M12. Okay, M12. No, that's it. And now let's see, go to the next part, which is pulley. Okay, let's understand the dimensions of the pulley. This pulley has a diameter 60. The total width of the wheel is 24 here. 24, and they are saying this is becoming smaller by 1 millimeter to make it 22 here. Just a collar, or here, just to give color here, 22, and 1 milli here, 1 milli here. That makes it from 24 to 1 milli inside, 23, 1 milli this side in is 22. So okay, outer diameter is 30. This is 24, 22. Then this small circle radius is given as R12, which is starting from here down, and the center of the circle will be 2 milli from this outer line of diameter 60, and from the center it is 30, and it is 28. Then this inside one is deep groove of 8 millimeters depth. The distance between these two centers is 12. I hope you got the dimensions. Okay. What I will do is I'll put them here so that we can see dimensions as well as the pulley. I'll start the upper half of the pulley with, so that we can make a mirror, So this is 24, ortho on 24 for the pulley. It is going any center distance here, no problem. Forget about this now. This is 28. You can see this one is 25 diameter, and from here I'll go up by 12.5, then go in by 1 milli. Same from the other side. Okay. From this we go up by 12.5. 25 is then 1 here inside. Then we said that I just don't want to make it a thick line. I want to make it like a construction line, so that it is clear for us in our understanding. That's why I deleted. This is 30. We said 30 is outermost. Actually, the radius 12 circle is offset. The distance between them is 12. So offset by 6 from the center on each side. 6, 6. But the circle is okay. But the circle is having radius 2. So offset by 2 to come down to find the center of the circle. So now I can draw the circle. Once you get the construction lines here, radius center radius, this is a center, I found the center radius 2 circle, so any like this, repeat circle are the center 2 same. Now they say that this is a deep from here 8. I'll draw any line here, any line. It is written deep groove of 8 millimeter depth. Yani it is 8 milli from the outermost line, from this line here, and this is groove. Yani the total distance, if you see measure here, you can give that much radius 8. So that is radius 4 fillet. Okay, you can draw the line. It is here. So fillet R4 between this line and between this line. Repeat fillet between this line and this line. It is like this. Now there is a line which is tangent from this 1 milli into the tangent to this one, and the line starting from this point to, and then it is tangent to this. So type TAN, enter, and then click on the circle. It is a tangent. Okay, you can, okay, you can keep it as a center line. Suppose first point is tangent. Okay, first point of the line. So click on this here, and then by then you click directly here. So first point is a tangent, no problem, you can do as you like. Trim all, enter. This is to be trimmed here from this to this to this to this to this. Trim this. Fine. This is one half of the pulley. Let me get the other half of the pulley by mirror command. So mirror of whole thing, mirror line, you got the pulley. Now pulley has a hole of diameter 16, not 12, okay? Because there is a bush before that. So diameter 16, any offset by 8 from this center line, 16 diameter hole inside the pulley. You can delete the construction lines, actually, all the construction lines. Just you can keep this line as a center line for the pulley. As here we can show the pulley as a sectional view. Okay, color is not important. Section view for the pulley. Fine. Vertical center line, close the vertical center line, copy paste. Okay, this is the vertical center line for the pulley. So outer diameter, center diameter, see diameter option, diameter 30, diameter 60. It is given here, diameter 60, as you can see, diameter 60 for the outer part of the pulley. Then this is hidden if you see from the side, so you can say offset by 8, which is hidden. And this one is hidden for this. This is hidden for this groove here, and inside one, this is a hole of diameter 16. Hole of diameter 16 diameter. If I have the diameter 16 hole, same. It should be here. Let me try the construction line to check. Yeah, okay. Now this outer part is 25 radius. It is coming from this 25. Okay, this is a circle, hidden circle, as you can see. It is a tangent to this line, so it is a 25 diameter. So center diameter in a 25. This is that this small 1 millimeter step is there. Okay, for that, and that's it. This is a pulley in this view. Again, name of the part, you have to write also in your exercise the name of the part, okay, for all parts, and the dimensions of all the parts. Say diameter, here is diameter 60, and then you can say the diameter for the hole 16, linear dimension from this to, linear dimension from this to this outer one 24, linear dimension from inside one say 22. Avoid crossing of the lines. This is 25. I will show it like this, okay, so that you understand what I'm talking about dimension, because this is given here 25. Radius for this outer one is also shown, and the depth of that one is shown. I don't know if we should show the depth. Okay, maybe it is not clicked properly somewhere. So what I will do, write it 8. Export, write 8. The distance between the two is 12, to center is 12. Show all the dimensions what are available here, and no need to have any additional dimensions. Also don't forget anything. Now all the parts are done except for the let's see how many parts we have done. Only the frame is remaining. We draw the hook, we draw the pulley, we draw the bush, and we draw the pin also. This is a pin here. We only U frame is needed. So now frame is here 6 millimeter plate, a metal plate they take and give it, bend it and make it a U shape. 6 millimeter is the thickness. So here fillet radius is not given. Say suppose this is 2 here, it will be 2 plus 6, 8 outside. If you say 3 here, it will be 9 here. It's up to you because it is not specified. Then the base to the center here for the whole of the pin is 54. Total width here is 41. After that it is going up from this to this, going straight up, and this is here up to here. This is looks here same, so this height is also 12 and half of 25. 25 is the radius, so this same circle here 12 and half. Let's see now. What I will do is 54. We can see the dimensions here. I will start from the 54 here. Sorry. See, start the line, say 54 here. Then you can continue. This outer size is 41. Then going up by 54 again. Offset by 6. 6 here, 6 here, 6 here. Fine. I'm trying to draw this. Now after this, from this I started from here 54. There is something up also, that is 12 and half. Okay, 12 and half. So from here is up by 12.5. Then this is 6 down. You can come same distance. Same here. You can draw 12.5, 6. Then you can just come here. Same. Fillet R2. Say 2 is here between this and this. Repeat fillet this and this. Fillet outside radius is 8, so that we maintain the same thickness. Thickness of 6 is maintained because this 2, this is 8, so this thickness is still 6. This is a center line here. Let me copy this center line to it here. Then I can go somewhere here in, or maybe here in. Okay, this is center of that crane hook. Now there is a hole of diameter 12 here. Okay, the hole of diameter 12. I will draw the line here. Suppose I want sectional view, same like here. So offset by 6 from here, 6 up, 6 down. Why 6 down? Okay, this can be deleted. Same thing can be repeated, mirror of these two lines on this side. Okay, now this is to be okay. There is a center line. Those. Now there is a hole in the pin also here. The hole is diameter 12, M12, for that crane hook to go in. M12 diameter hole here also. So I will draw it a line here and offset this also by 6. M12, and your hole diameter is 6. Now I can get hatching here inside. Change the hatch and see 31 in this, this, enter. This is hatching. Let's see this part for the crane hook. This is having the width of 25. So the distance between the two views is say 25 also. So or 30, say from here I'll make any distance 30, and then this is a construction line. Any distance between the two views, don't worry. Now I want to draw that feasible line starting from here, this frame. Okay, starting from here, this is 25, then going up by 54, then again going up by 12.5. No, going up by, okay, fine, this one, forget it. Here also going up by 54. Now we'll see what is happening here. There is a center line, paste the center here. I'll just increase the length of the center line. There is a center diameter, this whole diameter is given same 12. So center diameter 12 hole here. Then it says that it is not just a circular, it goes straight for a distance. You can see here it looks something strange here actually. It goes straight for a while and then it is becoming an arc, like, so it is going straight up by 6 milli. It is given here as 6 milli. Okay, so from here going straight by 6 and then it has to come here to this point. So I have to draw the arc here. Now arc between this point and here. You can delete the construction line. That's it, how it is. Now here I will say offset by 6. I don't know if I enter offset by 6 from this. This is construction line, you can delete it. The same hole is available here, same hole is available here. You can copy that hole with the center line, maybe paste. Okay, or you can draw it again. This is too much. Okay, you got it here. Delete the small line here. This is your hole. You can make it hidden line. This is because it is we're not showing this as a sectional view, as it is not sectional, so it is hidden. Same, everything is done. Now just show the dimensions. We are done. Dimensions, this is 41, this is, sorry, this is 6. It's given, whatever is given, only show those dimensions. It is said that from the base to the center is 54. It is said here that this is 25. Diameter of this hole should be shown 12. This is 6, this is 6, no need to show, but okay, anyway, if you want to show this exclusively, you can show 6. This is a hole of 12 size. Tamam, everything is done.